What the? Seremo. All right, so here's the apartment walkthrough. Multiple parking spaces. This is the first one. About, I don't know, 6 or so, 6, 8 or so. Angara funguye. Service apartment. Service apartment with maids, clean the house. Wajimo too, yaran just. Huh? Pinyuranga. This is the back entrance coming from the back of the second largest apartments. This is a room. Basically, the bed would go like right here. You got your closet space. Da-da-da. Closet space. Wardrobe. Whichever it is. Get that stuff. Got a mirror you can look at. Da-da-da. The kitchen. High, very tall ceilings. I don't know how tall it would be. It'd probably be like, let's see, probably around, Jesus, I don't know, 12 foot, 11. And for you that use meters, I absolutely don't know. So, just a look to your bathroom. Bathroom. Still some stuff we gotta take out. Still some. Ooh. Second bedroom, larger, so slightly larger, wardrobe. No, it's tall. Oh, second bathroom. No, wait, no, this is the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Tall ceilings. Okay, then living and dining room. Living. Tall ceilings. A lot of lights. Yo. This right here is the second parking lot. Over there, right here, is where the garbage thingy dump, like a garbage dump. To go. They got parking lots over here. Then you got an apartment over there, but that's for the landlord. Walk in. Walk in. So you got the back. This is going to be where the backup battery is, because it's so we got solar panels. Solar panels. This is those backup batteries or generators, whatever, and security is good. The security cameras feed. So this other apartment, same size as the other one. So why go over there? Ew. Ew. Let's go. Let's see. So you got over here. This is so the last one is currently at 300 Rwanda francs, about 300 USDs, because it's not furnished or has its appliances. No appliances. So last one was 350. This was gonna be 300. It's smaller. This is the living room and dining room, all in one. And large kitchen. It's smaller but has the largest kitchen. Alright. So this is where you put your refrigerator, your stove, and there's 3 balconies. I didn't show you the other one, but did the other ones have balconies? Well, no, the other ones don't have balconies. These do. So this is the first balcony. Oh, shit. First balcony. On this side. One bathroom. So showed you maybe another one else better finished. The master bedroom. You got the wardrobe. Ooh. Wait a minute. These are supposed to be soft close hinges. I have to go check that out. This balcony leads into the outside and into the living room from the master bedroom. Then you got a small room. Could be used for an office, a small bedroom. Still has a wardrobe. And a balcony. So your bathroom, so you all that. All right. Now, here's the largest bedroom, or the largest apartment. Has a little nook for whatever you would like to put in there. A balcony, 3 balconies here. Well, actually they all have 3 balconies, don't they? But another little nook. Basically, the way I would set it up would be, I would have, let me see. I would have the TV here in the middle, couch, let me go this way. Little couches that way. Like maybe a little more here. Because you could technically, if you pulled back the curtains, you could probably sit here and be, you know. Then have a little table over here in this area. That's how I would do it. I'll do it. Then you got the bedroom with the balcony. This is the smaller bedroom. By the way. Got the bathroom, first bathroom. Something like this. Something like this. Then you got a kitchen. You got your kitchen here. Oh, got your kitchen here. Refrigerator. Stove, sink. The goody goods. Okay, no. This is the smaller bedroom. Still decent size. I don't know who got your sage here. Maybe you want some sage, you know? Some older. And balcony that leads in. This balcony leads to. There's a. This will be in the fire exit or also connected to the kitchen. So this person can eat without being seen. That's the thing. Oh, right there you got the second bathroom. The second bathroom. Over here we got the storage area that's gonna be, you're gonna have the washing machine here, right there, in that area. Then you can put some other storage stuff here. So it's all gonna be worked out. All gonna be worked out. What else can I show you? See, you can see a view from the top. Let's do that. That's about it. Give me a second. 4 floors. And it's lit. 24/7. It's lit. Jesus Louises. Alright. Here's a view. And that's about it. I don't know what else I can show you. There's a couple of differences in how the bathrooms are set up. But you know, if you want to talk to the landlord or not the landlord, but the owner of the property and see what they can do for you. If you have anything you want to change, maybe any suggestions, prices for this one is $400. Yeah. Not a good lighting.